Okay, so let's start. So today's question on LeetCode is that we have to find bottom left tree value. It means bottom means lowest level and left means that we have to find the leftmost element. It means on the lowest level we have to find the leftmost element. As in this case, this is the second level, this is the third level, this is the fourth level, and in the fourth level 7 is the leftmost element because it is the only element. In the first example we have a first level, is the second level, and in the second level we have 1 as the leftmost element, so answer is 1. Okay, so to solve any question related to data structure, first we have to understand, or we should know that how we can traverse that data structure. So as in this case we have a binary tree, and to traverse a binary tree we should know all the traversal logics. So for binary tree we can have first one is DFS, second one is BFS, third one is boundary search, and fourth one is diagonal search. So in most of the cases we are going to use DFS and BFS only. Also in DFS it is known as depth first search, and we can have in order. In order means first we are traversing left subtree, then root, then right subtree. In pre-order we first we are going to traverse root, then left subtree, then right subtree. For post order, first we are going to traverse left subtree, then right subtree, then root. Also in BFS means breadth first search. It means we are going to also it is known as level order traversal. So first we will traverse first level, then second level, as in this case first level, second level, third level, and the fourth level. So we can see that from left to right we can traverse, but again we can traverse from right to left also in the same way. So as in this question we have to find the leftmost element. So just think of it and suggest me that which traversal logic we can use, left to right or right to left. So if we are going to use left to right traversal, it means we have to keep track of the level and the first element of that level. But if we are going to use right to left traversal, so it means we have to just return the last element that we are accessing here. So let's start now with the right to left level order traversal. So to traverse level order traversal, we are going to use a queue here, and what we will do, we will first initialize a queue, and in the queue we are going to initialize with the root element, and we will put the root element, in this case it is 1 here, so we are going to put 1 here. Now what we will do, we will first we have to initialize a result that we are going to return at last, because we have to return an int value, and we are going to temp node. So in the temp node we are going to store the current node. In this case we have a queue assigned with the root. Now we will start a loop while queue is not empty. So while queue is not empty, we are going to pop this first element and store in the temp node. So first we will pop this one and store in the temp node. For the temp node we are going to check if its right children is there or not. So right children is there, 3, so we are going to store 3 here. Now we will check for the left element, it is there, so we are going to store it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so 2 is there, so we are going to store here. Now we will do already it has popped. Now loop is again moved to the initial value. Now we are going to store temp the 3 and we are popping it. For the 3 we will check if it is has the right element. So yeah, it has the right element, so we will store it. And also in the result we are going to assign the current nodes. It means as we are moving with the temp, we are going to reassign the result value. So current result value is 3 only. Now we are adding 6 here. We are checking for the left element. 5 is there, so we are adding 5 here, and that's it. We are moving next to the next temp, and we are moving result here. So current temp is 2 and current result is 2. So for the 2 we are checking for the right value, so it is null. We are not going to do anything, and its left element is there, so we are going to store 4 here. Now we will keep moving here and we will keep popping from the queue. So temp is currently at 6. For the 6 element there is no right or left element, so we are going to do nothing with that 6 element. Now we are popping it. For the 5 element there is no right value but there is a left value, so we are going to store it 7, and we are just keep updating the result here also. Now next element is 4. So for the 4 there is no right element or left element, we are going to do nothing with that, just keep updating the result value here. Okay, now we are moving to the 7. For the 7 there is no right or left element, so we are going to do nothing, just we keep popping here and we are keep updating the result here. So currently result value is updated to 7, and now queue is empty here. At this point of time queue is null, so we are just moving out of the loop and the result value is assigned with 7 here. So at last we are going to return the result value, that is 7. So 7 is our answer. Thank you.